Okay, so there's a whole group of mathematicians and they study this sort of weird abstract realm of infinite sets. But you can construct a sort of mathematics around it and a system of rules, and you can have axioms, and you can build stuff that's, eventually leads to technology that makes sense in the real world. So they have discovered a surprising connection to a very concrete area of computer science. And I think this is pretty unexpected. That concrete computer science is called distributed algorithms on networks. So there's this genius, Antoine Bourchetian, and he showed that problems about infinite graphs and measured sets can be reframed as problems about how nodes in a computer network might coordinate locally. Now, what does that sound like to you? Nodes in a computer network, you're talking graph theory now, and you're talking pretty much the same structure of AI. We're talking about parameters, like nodes in a neural network, and how they coordinate locally, which is how you get the different dimensions in like a large language model, for example. They're just word tokens, and it's getting more complicated with multimodal models, but let's assume the words is a good way to imagine it. You can think of them all as nodes in a network, and then you can think about them coordinating locally. So who would have thought the realm of infinite sets and descriptive set theory, the infinites can be connected to something that looks a lot like AI? And then it makes me wonder about, like, in my brain, why I can't get my head around the concept of infinites, and if there's a connection to how my brain thinks in the first place, or at least a neural network which kind of approximates something that's kind of similar. I mean, it definitely can think of a human brain as nodes in a network. That's a really good representation for how neurons connect. But this bridge means that techniques and classifications from computer science, which usually deals with finite systems and algorithmic efficiencies, can now be applied to study infinite sets and their measurability, and vice versa. I don't know if that means there will be a mathematics that can bridge consciousness to infinity, but it kind of sounds that way, doesn't it? I mean, look, you guys are smarter than me. Why don't you read the article and let me know in the comments? Do you get a hint, like a North Star, that there's something really special about this? I mean, how do two fields that seem so entirely different, one deals with unreachable realm of infinity and the other deals with practical finite computing systems and graphs, which often take the shape of neural networks and where all this AI progress is coming from, are deeply linked? I don't know. Just chew on it, think about it.